Hello, this is LiquidOcelot guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the hidden mute feature in Canva. So I have already put a video and you can see it in the timeline. So when I click over here, nothing happens, but when I click on the picture, I click on the picture, you see this volume key. So all I have to do is shut off the volume and the video will be muted. So this is how you remove background music from your videos using Canva. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and press on the bell notification bar for more tutorials like these. Thanks for watching.